Good morning, students. Today's topic is atomic spectra. Means the splitting of light into a series of color bands. This is called as dispersion. And the series of the color band is called as spectrum. Means the branch of science which deals with the study of spectra. This is called as spectroscopy. Atomic spectra is of two types. First, emission spectra, second, absorption spectra. Emission spectra is also two types, continuous spectra, second is line or atomic spectra. Now, I will discuss first emission spectra. When the radiations emitted from any source like sun or by passing the electric discharge through a gas at a low pressure or by heating some substance to high temperature, that is passed directly through the prism and received on the photographic plate, the spectra obtained is called as emission spectra. This is the emission spectra, means the spectrum of radiations emitted by a substance, this substance that has absorbed energy either passing the electric discharge through a gas at low pressure or by heating the substance to a very high temperature. This spectrum of radiation, this one, is called as emission spectrum. The atoms, ions or molecules that have absorbed radiation is called as excited state, means excited sample. This sample is passed through a prism and after that by the help of detector we can easily obtain a spectrum. This is emission spectrum. It is arranged in increasing wavelength. Depending on the source of radiations, this emission spectra is of two types. First, continuous spectrum, second, line or atomic spectrum. First, continuous spectrum. In this spectrums have the continuity of colors, means one color merges into the another color without any gap. This type of spectra can be obtained from the light emitted from some substance like rainbow. It forms a continuous spectrum. This can easily be explained. When a white light from any source is passed through a prism, then it split into 7 different white bands of colors. These colors are continuous, that each of them merges into the next. Red color, that is the longest wavelength and it is deviated least. Violet color, that is shortest wavelength and it is most deviated. Now the second type is line spectrum, means the emission spectra of atoms in the gas phase that emit light only a certain specific wavelength with dark space between them. Line spectrum means lines are obtained at a specific wavelength. It is also called as atomic spectra because the emitted radiation is identified by the appearance of bright lines in the spectra. These dark lines of definite wavelength are used to identify a substance in the same way as the fingerprint are used to identify the people. For example, the emission spectra of sodium is made up of two different yellow lines, one at 589 nanometer and other at 589.6 nanometer. Now second type of spectra is absorption spectra. means when a white light from any source is passed through the solution of chemical substance, then some dark lines are obtained by absorbing the radiation of certain wavelength. These dark lines are at same place where the colored lines are obtained in the emission spectra for the same substance. Like this. This is the absorption spectrum. It is just like a photographic negative of emission spectrum. To obtain the absorption spectrum, this one, a continuous radiation is passed through a sample which absorb radiation of certain wavelength. The missing wavelength which correspond to the radiations absorbed by the matter and leave the dark space, this one, in the bright continuous spectrum. This spectrum is called as absorption spectrum, and it will form a dark lines like this. These are dark lines. These dark lines are at same place where the colored lines are obtained in the emission spectra for the same substance. So the spectra obtained by the absorbing sample, this is called as absorption spectra. Thank you, students.